Tenge从爬过啦，下过配对怎么独立期间女语的人，第一名啦，温香独立是。听你记录给你生意老婆给给不吃点吧简单，汤给这给盘，解冻再把汤，东南吞村说吞这村鸡汤。所以三参出参见的偏村，加米拉西，忙没真不说，他们这村鸡给独立是。独立松鱼吧嘞，今年汤给这个也是长安的足浴，今年汤不给三参做足浴，很多精选的呢，他现在做了很多很多内娱被独立的。天阳堂当然中文所解决与百度连接固的一些，他把多龙这个你给他咱们给录取电影。You can often see a monument when you walk around the Chakao Monastery. This monument is called the Monument of Tang Tubo Alliance. It's in the year 822 AD. Tubo and Tang reached a peace between the two. In order not to be enemies, not to raise troops, symbolizing Tang and Tubo's friendship. There are three such monuments, one in Chang'an, the capital city of Tang, one is on the border of Tang and Tubo. The last one is in the Lhasa, which is also the only one in existence. It has a history of 1,200 years.
抖音